Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning mom. Today's vocabulary, overturn. So what is the meaning of overturn? If something overturns or if you overturn it, it turns upside down or on its side. That is what we call it as overturn. So we do have one more meaning. If an authority overturns a decision, that a legal decision is not valid. That legal decision is not valid. So nullified, void. So hope you remember, right? What are all synonyms? Reverse, upturn, invalidate, cancel, topple, to turn over, destroy, rescind, nullify, void. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: allow, accept, write, approve, keep, permit, sanction, validate, please. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the thief had overturned some of the furniture in the house. The results overturned previous findings. The results overturned the previous findings. Hope you are clear, right? So nurse, an interesting one actually. So it is been given as promote, but we do have different meanings. To take care of a person or animal when they are ill, that we have seen, right? In many hospitals nurses will be there. So to take care of a person or animal when they are ill, to spend a lot of time taking care of something as it grows or develops. So that also been called as nursing. To hold a drink for a long time without drinking it, that is also called nurse. And even feeding milk, breastfeeding, that also been called nurse. Remember all these things and all. And synonyms: encourage, nurture, caretaker, assistant, therapist, medic, attendant, administer, babysitter. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: hinder, neglect, disregard, torture, ill-treat, ignore. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: these trees were carefully nursed by the gardener. These trees were carefully nursed by the gardener. Veteran, old hand. What is the old hand? Experienced. So a person who has had vast experience in a particular field or activity is what we call it as veteran. We do have one more meaning, a member of the armed forces. A member of the armed forces, also called as veteran. So synonyms: skilled, trained, proficient, disciplined, practical, long serving, expert, old, steady, versed, hardened, experienced. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: novice means a beginner. Novice means a beginner. Unskilled, amateur, beginner. Inexperienced, apprentice. All these words can be related to antonyms. Selecting a few veteran players in a team is very important to balance. So selecting a few veteran players in a team is very important to balance a team. Even we can give one more example. He is a veteran of 2 world wars. He is a veteran of 2 world wars. That means he is a member of the armed forces and served in 2 world wars. Clear? Scurry, bustle. So scurry, to move hurriedly with a smart short step. To hurry to do something or to get something. That is what we call it as scurry. Bustle. Synonyms: hurry, scamper, scuttle, rush, run, race, dash, whisk. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: slow, amble, walk, stroll, dawdle, creep, crawl. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: pedestrians scurried for a cover when rain started. Hope everybody is clear. Rescind, cancel a law or order. So nullify, if you remember the word, that is what synonym of rescind. Ma clear? You just go through that one. Rescind, cancel a law or order, to officially end a law, take back a decision, or say that agreement is no longer exists. That is what the meaning of rescind. Synonyms: repeal, abrogate. Hope you remember the word annul, right? That day also we discussed when we discussed about nullify. So annul, reverse, recall, overturn. So yesterday or day before yesterday, I think we discussed about that word overturn. One more meaning is there, that is cancel a law or order. So overturn, invalidate, nullify, all these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: introduce, enact, continue, legalize, ratify, permit, allow, uphold, enforce. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: we urge the committee to rescind its decision. We urge the committee to rescind its decision. The government finally rescinded the directive. The government finally rescinded the directive. One more example can also be given: heave, lift. So synonyms here it is been given as heft, which already we have discussed. To move something heavy using a lot of effort, or to throw something forcefully, especially something large and heavy, is what we call it as heave. Synonyms: raise, lift, heft, hurl, tug, pull, haul, fling, sling. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: put down, drop, lower, keep, lessen, destroy, finish, decrease, stop. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: he cleared the space, heaving the boxes out of the way. She heaved the sofa back into place. That also can be given as one more example. She picked up a heavy book and heaved at him. She picked up a heavy book and heaved at him. So that also can be given as one more example. Ma clear? Deft, skillful. A deft action is skillful and often very quick. That is what we call it as deft. Quick and neat in movement. Skillful in a quick, sure and easy way is what we call it as deft. Synonyms: adept, adroit, expert, proficient, ingenious, nimble, dexterous, ability. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: clumsy, slow, incompetent, inept, awkward, ignorant, stupid, unable, unskilled. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Shyam is very deft at handling awkward situations. Shyam is very deft at handling awkward situations. She answered the journalist's questions with a deft touch. She answered the journalist's questions with a deft touch. Next one: certitude, conviction. Certitude, conviction. That is the state of being certain or confident, or a feeling of a absolute sureness or conviction. That is what we call it as certitude. Synonyms: certainty, assurance, sureness, inevitability, positiveness, belief, confidence. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: doubt, distrust, uncertainty, fear. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: management believes with a certitude that Gopal is the best candidate for the job. Management believes with a certitude that Gopal is the best candidate for the job. It is impossible to predict the outcome of the negotiations with any degree of certitude. It is impossible to predict the outcome of the negotiations with any degree of certitude. Ma, hope you are clear. Today's vocabulary: censure, criticism, express severe disapproval of someone or something, especially in a formal statement. Especially in a formal statement. So formally expressing disapproval, that is what we call it as censure. Formal expression of disapproval is what we call it as censure. Synonyms: condemnation, abuse, blame, admonition, castigation, reprimand, rebuke, reproach, denunciation. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: approval, honor, acclamation, citation, tribute, commendation, praise, endorsement, blessing. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Suraj's dishonest behavior came under severe censure. Suraj's dishonest behavior came under severe censure. The company was heavily censured from the officials of Department of Trade. The company was severely censured from the officials of Department of Trade. One more example also can be given. Botch, botch, both are right pronunciations only. One is American, another one is English, Britain. So botch, mess. So meaning is to spoil something by doing badly. To spoil something by doing it badly. That is what we call it as a botch. Synonyms: fiasco, debacle, mishandle, mess, screw up, blunder, failure, misjudge, mismanage, butcher, miscalculate, make a mess of. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: success, do well, ameliorate. Hope you remember, to improve. Ameliorate, remedy, refine, repair, patch, build, grow, accomplish. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the company made a series of botches, series of botches, that means series of mistakes, blunders before it went bankrupt. The company made a series of botches before it went bankrupt. Abolish, cancel, formally put an end to a system, a practice, rule, custom, institution. That is what we call it as abolish. Many are there, so if you can go through that one, right? Rescind we have seen, annul we have seen, abolish. A slight variations are there, but almost similar only. Even you can refer dictionary. So very difficult to identify the differences between those and all. So almost all are similar. Synonyms: nullify, repeal, annul, rescind, revoke, set aside, destroy, annihilate, do away with, abrogate, overturn. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: sanction, validate, allow, approve, permit, set up, revive. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the government is planning to abolish subsidies to farmers. The government is planning to abolish subsidies to farmers. Liaison, L-I-A-I-S-O-N, cooperation. Many meanings are there. So liaison, communication between people or groups who work with each other. That is what we call it as liaison. Cooperation, communication. Synonyms: contact, association, intermediary. So what is that one? One who acts an agent between two parties is we call it as liaison. One who acts as an agent between two parties is also called a liaison. So that is the reason intermediary. So that is also one of the synonyms. And one more meaning is also there: an illicit sexual relationship between two people, normally who are unmarried. That is also what we call it as liaison. And synonyms, of course: contact, association, intermediary, communication, hookup, go between, affair, affinity, connection. All these words can be related to liaison. Antonyms: disassociation, split, breakup, separation, division, disunion. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the finance minister blamed the lack of liaison between the various government departments. The finance minister blamed the lack of liaison between the various government departments. that's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.